previous video. Now we will learn the French numbers from 1 to 100. So let's start from 1 to 10. Number 1 is un. Number 1 is un. Let's speak with me. Number 1 is un. Number 2 is dukes. Number 2 is dukes. Number 2 is dukes. Let's speak with me. Number 2 is dukes. Number 3 is trois. Number 3 is trois. Number 3 is trois. Number 4 is quatre. Number 4 is quatre. Number 4 is quatre. Number 5 is cinq. Number 5 is cinq. Number 5 is cinq. Number 6 is six. Number 6 is six. Number 6 is six. Number 7 is sept. Number 7 is sept. Number 7 is sept. Number 8 is youth. Number 8 is youth. Number 8 is youth. Number 9 is neuf. Number 9 is neuf. Number 9 is neuf. Number 10 is deeks. Now number 10 is deeks. Now let's repeat it all again from number 1 to number 10. Number 1 un. Number 2 dukes. Number 3 trois. Number 4 quatre. Number 5 cinq. Number 6 six. Number 7 sept. Number 8 youth. Number 9 neuf. Number 10 deeks. Now next we will learn from number 11 to number 20. So let's start from number 11 to number 20. Number 11 is onze. Number 11 is onze. Number 11 is onze. Number 12 is douze. Number 12 is douze. Number 12 is douze. Number 13 is treize. Number 13 is treize. Number 13 is treize. Number 14 is quatros. Number 14 is quatros. Number 14 is quatros. Number 14 is quatros. Number 15 is quinze. Number 15 is quinze. Number 15 is quinze. Number 15 is quinze. Number 16 is seize. Number 16 is seize. Number 16 is seize. Number 16 is seize. Number 17 is dixapt. Number 17 is dixapt. Number 17 is dixapt. Number 18 is dixuit. Number 18 is dixuit. Number 18 is dixuit. Number 19 is dixnuif. Number 19 is dixnuif. Number 19 is dixnuif. Number 20 is winked. Number 20 is winked. Number 20 is winked. So let's repeat it all again from 11 to 20. Number 11 onze. Number 12 douze. Number 13 treize. Number 14 quatros. Number 15 quinze. Number 16 seize. Number 17 dixapt. Number 18 dixuit. Number 19 dixnuif. Number 20 winked. Now next we will learn from 21 to 30. Number 21 is winked at un. Number 21 is winked at un. Number 22 is winked at dukes. Number 22 is winked at dukes. Number 23 is winked at trois. Number 23 is winked at trois. Number 23 is winked at trois. Number 24 is winked at quatre. Number 24 is winked at quatre. Number 24 is winked at quatre. Number 25 is winked at cinq. Number 25 is winked at cinq. Number 25 is winked at cinq. Number 26 is winked at six. Number 26 is winked at six. Number 27 is winked at sept. Number 27 is winked at sept. Number 28 is winked at youth. Number 28 is winked at youth. Number 29 is winked at neuf. Number 29 is winked at neuf. And 30 is trente. 30 is trente. 30 is trente. Now let's repeat it all again from number 21 to number 30. Number 21 winked at un. Number 22 winked at dukes. Number 23 winked at trois. Number 24 winked at quatre. Number 25 winked at cinq. Number 26 winked at six. Number 27 winked at sept. Number 28 winked at youth. Number 29 winked at neuf. 30 trente. Now next we will learn from number 31 to number 40. Let's start from number 31 to number 40. Number 31 is trente at un. Number 31 is trente at un. Number 32 is trente at dukes. Number 32 is trente at dukes. Number 33 is trente at trois. Number 33 is trente at trois. Number 33 is trente at trois. Number 34 is trente at quatre. Number 34 is trente at quatre. Number 34 is trente at quatre. Number 35 is trente at cinq. Number 35 is 35 Number 35 is 36 Number 36 is 6 Number 36 is 6 Number 37 is 7 Number 37 is 7 Number 37 is 7 Number 38 is youth Number 38 is youth Number 38 is youth Number 39 is new Number 39 is new Number 39 is new 40 is 40 is 40 is 40. Now let's repeat it all again from number 31 to number 40. Number 31 atun Number 32 dukes Number 30 is thros Number 34 quat Number 35 sink Number 36 seeks Number 37 sept Number 38 youth Number 39 new Number 40 quarante. Now next we will learn from number 41 to number 50. Now let's learn from number 41 to number 50. Number 41 is quarante et un. Number 41 is quarante et un. Number 41 is quarante et un. Number 42 is quarante et dukes. Number 42 is quarante et dukes. Number 42 is quarante et dukes. Number 43 is quarante et thrice. Number 43 is quarante et thrice. Number 43 is quarante et thrice. Number 44 is quarante et quatre. Number 44 is quarante et quatre. Number 44 is quarante et quatre. 45 is quarante et cinq. Number 45 is quarante et cinq. Number 46 is quarante et six. Number 46 is quarante et six. Number 46 is quarante et six. Number 47 is quarante et sept. Number 47 is quarante et sept. Number 47 is quarante et sept. Number 48 is quarante et youth. Number 48 is quarante et youth. Number 48 is quarante et youth. Number 49 is quarante et new. Number 49 is quarante et new. Number 49 is quarante et new. And number 50 is cinquante. Number 50 is cinquante. Now let's repeat it all from number 41 to number 50. Number 41 quarante et un. Number 42 quarante et dukes. Number 43 quarante et trois. Number 41 quarante et quatre. Number 45 quarante et cinq. Number 46 quarante et six. Number 47 quarante et sept. Number 48 quarante et youth. Number 49 quarante et new. Number 50 cinquante. Thanks for watching my video. This is basic classes. For advanced classes, you must join the Levitate Yourself at Chapatali Mode, Barashat, Kolkata. The contact details is given at the screen and all descriptions. Stay tuned for my next video. Like, share and subscribe.